So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I am going to show you how you can model this piece of cheese using the blender. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. So for making this cheese guys, I will use one default add-on. It's called Bull tool. So if you want to enable this, so you have to go to the edit preference, and here you have to search the Bull, and here you will see the Bull tool. You have to just enable from the here, and after that you have to press the N on your keyboard, and from the edit section you will see this Bull tool settings. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you how you can make this piece of cheese with the help of this Bull tool. So first of all, I'm just going to the scale this cube, something like that. Okay, and then I'm just going to the edit mode of this cube, and after that I think I should do a little bit scale, and then I will enable this X-ray mode. So now I'm just going to scale this part something like that. I think that's fine to me, and if you want to keep it beside little bit, you can keep it here. Yeah, so now here you can see now we have a basic shape of the cheese. So now I will add one UV sphere, and if you want to add the subdivision modifier on it, so you can apply from the here. Okay, and you can also apply the shade smooth, so it will look more smoother. Now I'm just going to scatter this UV sphere all around this cube. So after that we will use the Bull tool. So I'm just going to show you how you can do this. So first of all, I'm just going to scatter this UV sphere all around this cube very quickly. So here you can see. So here you can see guys, I have almost scattered these UV spheres surrounding this cube. So now I'm just going to show you how you can use the Bull tool. So first of all, using the Bull tool, you have to select your UV sphere, and after that you have to select this your piece of cheese, and then you have to just click on the difference. And when you click on the difference, here you can see guys, we have a automatic add one Bull tool, and it will be add something like that. And if you want to move this, here you can see it will move it also, and wherever you will move, that bouillon will be happen according with this your movement. Okay, so if you want to do individually, so you can do individually, and if you want to do together, so you can do also together. So for doing together, what you have to do, so first of all I'm just going to do Ctrl Z. Okay, something like that. So now I'm just going to select the everything except the camera and the piece of cheese. So first of all, I'm just going to deselect the camera and that piece of cheese as well. Okay, and now here you can see if I will move this, so we have these spares. So now I'm just going to do Ctrl J, and Ctrl J means join the mesh. So now here you can see it is a one mesh. Okay, if I will move it together, it will go together. And now we can just select those UV sphere, and then I will select this piece of cheese, and then I will apply the different, and here you can see now we have a perfect piece of cheese. Here you can see guys. And after that you have to just add the light on your scene, and you have to just set the camera, and when you take the render you will find something like that. So that's how you can make this piece of cheese using the blender. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys.